KNUST-TEK TV. Experience educational television.
The African Leadership Transformation collaborates with the International Programs Office to organize a course on being a leader and the effective exercise of leadership. This course is to train both local and international participants on how to exercise the right tricks, tips, and strategies on how to become a leader.
To do what is required. So if you're asking yourself, how do I become a master? Then there's this need to do what is required. And in this course, that is already being done. And if you recall, we have heard a lot about conversational domain. So that you speak in that word, the conversational domain. That is just one of the things that we might have to do in order to be masters. And we're doing something about it. So that whatever it is, but in our case now, being a leader and effective exercise of leadership becomes our natural self-expression.
In an interview with the Dean of International Programs Office, Professor Rexford Asasi Opong, he throws more light on the importance of the workshop.
I want to talk about the visibility that is given to the university. And secondly, as I indicated in my speech, that's the Vice Chancellor's speech, there hasn't been much collaboration in terms of the South-South cooperation. When we talk of South-South cooperation, we're talking basically about, let's say, Ghana collaborating with, let's say, another African country, Nigeria, Togo, Kenya, South Africa, in that order. That hasn't been done very much as compared to the North-South cooperation. So if you look at the leaders of this, the Alt Foundation is basically being led by an African group of people. So that will enhance that. Then the third point about the staff. Currently, KNUST has employed a number of young lecturers and young administrators. And these are the people who are going to be the leaders of the university and, for that matter, the country. So this workshop would expose them to the tactics, the techniques of being a leader. And as we indicated, we always believe that everybody is a leader, okay? We have this kind of natural instinct that brings these leadership skills out. But we don't know that we are all leaders. So this workshop would then give the new people who have been employed the opportunity to experience and see that they are natural leaders and they have what it takes to lead within these short days. Thank you.
Professor Rexford Asasi Opong gave the opening speech on behalf of the Vice Chancellor.
The first was hosted by Multimedia University in February 2016 and later at Kenyatta University and the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agric and Technology. I understand that it is the vision of the Alt Foundation to have this course in various African universities. And I'm glad to know that the relationship had been developed with the University of Zambia, the Walter Sisulu University in South Africa, and of course, your host, Kwame Nkrumah University, the best in Africa. However, it is important to create tangible Pan-African and South-South linkages, and this is very essential.
The Provost of Emerita California State University, Professor Jerry Echeverria, gave a wonderful presentation.
So, like that first formula we showed you this morning was Newton's gravitational formula. Everybody believed that. Everybody followed that. Everybody thought this is gravitation. Einstein, developed a whole theory of relativity, working on it, not finding an answer, and then he went, oh, energy equals math C squared.
In an interview with the Executive Director of African Leadership Transformation, Daniel Kamanga, he gave more information about the collaboration.
So our vision is to train 1 million Africans through this leadership transformation work. One of the most important things on the continent is leadership. And for this particular course, what we do is we work with universities and we bring the training through the universities. So we already have relationships with many universities in Africa. For example, we have relationships with Walter Sisulu University in South Africa, the University of Zambia, the Addis University in Ethiopia, and we have a memorandum of understanding with Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And that memorandum was signed, as the Dean for the International Programs Office said. That memorandum was signed less than 12 months ago. And in less than that 12 months, we've been able to actually bring this course to Ghana. This is the first time that this course is coming to Ghana or to West Africa. We have already had programs, 3 programs in Kenya. So starting it in Ghana is a very important breakthrough in the relationship between the old foundation and the university. And we are looking forward to ensuring that transformative leadership is brought not just within the university, but in Ghana. As you know, there are many challenges that Ghana faces, challenges that relate with leadership. And Kwame Nkrumah University, being the top university in the country and the top university, one of the top universities in Africa, is the ideal place to start this program. So we are very excited about this program today, and we are looking forward to training even more Ghanaians and more international people coming to Ghana.